official dragon tamer of the academic year. And before we proceed, I would like to introduce my dragon taming assistant, Dr. Deel, who is currently doing a PhD in putting boards into the backplane, doing very fluently. So how will we proceed? As you can see there, all the teams are on the demo slide. We will call out all the teams one by one, and they can test their functionalities then one by one. So the first team is the bus. This is a team that is ever present throughout all the teams. So we thought it would be easy for them to go first. But on the other hand, there is not a lot for them to test. So maybe they could give a brief explanation on what they did.
Okay, so we don't have anything to test except that, well, if there is communication, it works. But, so we've worked with a fixed master which generates a clock cycle to synchronize all of the boards, and also a starting signal which synchronizes a set of counters. Each board has the same counter which is synchronized. So it's a counter of 200, which counts to 200, and each of the boards has a specific time window in which it can send its data. And the rest of the time it can receive the data, and we only save the data which is needed for that module, although it could read all of it. Yeah,
That's a brief explanation. So the next team is Team Angle. As you could see from the pictures, this was a team to always keep the atmosphere upbeat and to keep the love in the air. So we'll now, I don't know, damn, this was you. Sorry. No, Team Angle is a team that worked a lot of nights on the gyroscope as well. So we'll now test the gyroscope through the LEDs on the boards. So if the team could put in
so we worked on the distance sensor. We worked the whole year on two things. So first the distance sensor, and second gyroscope and accelerometer. Ja, so what we can see through these LEDs are the lights. These is the angle. These are the most significant bits. So as you can see, when we turn like this, it will give a positive angle. This gives a positive angle. When you go like this gives a negative angle. I don't know if you can see. The major problem was the high pass filter and the low pass filter. The accelerometer uses a low pass filter, but it gave these coefficients of the filters were not correct, so it doesn't work. It still doesn't work perfectly. It works a little bit, but not so fluidly as we wanted. So was our test. If everybody saw it.
Okay.